Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here in this channel we talk about hair care tips, routines and many more. So in case you are interested in this type of content and you aren't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can join the family. And now without further ado, let's get right into this video. So in today's video we are going to be talking about when to use a neutralizing shampoo. When do you need a neutralizing shampoo? A lot of people get confused as to when to use a neutralizing shampoo. In my last video I talked about the difference between a neutralizing shampoo and a clarifying shampoo. So if you haven't watched that video, make sure to check that out as well. So in today's video I'm going to be explaining in detail when exactly we need a neutralizing shampoo and when to use a neutralizing shampoo. Like I said in my last video, the purpose of a neutralizing shampoo is to restore the pH of your hair back to its original state. So there are different treatments and processes that we do on our hair that alters the pH of our hair, and if left at that, the pH of the hair is going to be in a very high state, meaning it's going to be alkaline, which is actually dangerous for the health of your hair, because left in this state the cuticles of your hair is raised, making the hair more prone to dryness. And as you all know, when our hair is dry, it's a recipe for disaster because it will start breaking with every little manipulation. With the minimum manipulation it will start breaking, and we don't want that for our hair. In that kind of situation, even if you moisturize your hair, it won't do any good because the cuticle layer is raised. So even if you moisturize your hair, it's going to evaporate within the next few minutes. So the best we can actually do for our hair after those chemical treatments that alter the pH of our hair is to use a neutralizing shampoo. So the question now is, when exactly do we use a neutralizing shampoo? First of all, you don't use a neutralizing shampoo to wash your hair normally. A neutralizing shampoo is not a regular shampoo, so it's not intended for a normal wash day routine without a chemical process. Plus, you can't use a neutralizing shampoo as a clarifying shampoo. A clarifying shampoo has its own benefits. I talked about the difference between a neutralizing shampoo and a clarifying shampoo in my last video, so you can check that out. A neutralizing shampoo is used mainly for the purpose of neutralizing the pH of your hair. That's bringing back the pH of your hair to its original state, to the healthy state. So when exactly do we need a neutralizing shampoo? A neutralizing shampoo is needed when you use a relaxer on your hair. That's the first circumstance in which a neutralizing shampoo is needed. So relaxers actually alter the pH of our hair, meaning our hair is in a mostly acidic state, but when you use relaxers on your hair, it raises the pH to a very high state, meaning the hair becomes alkaline. Now when you rinse out a relaxer from your hair and you don't use a neutralizing shampoo, it does not mean that your pH will automatically go back to its way it was just because you rinsed out the relaxer. No guys, the pH of your hair is going to remain in that high alkaline state. So it's almost like even after rinsing out the relaxer process is still going on, and we don't want that for our hair, guys. So the least we can actually do for our hair is to use a neutralizing shampoo to restore balance to the pH of our hair, to make it more healthy, to stop the relaxer process. So that's the first case or the first scenario in which you use a neutralizing shampoo. The second circumstance in which you are going to need a neutralizing shampoo is after a color treatment. Most of us use color treatments on our hair for various purposes. Me personally, I have not tried it, but I know most of us use it, and that treatment is also capable of altering the pH of your hair, which again, it's not good for the health of your hair. So we want to avoid damage caused by all this. So just like I said with the relaxer, even after rinsing off the color treatment and you don't use a neutralizing shampoo, the pH of your hair is going to remain in an elevated state, which is very dangerous. So in order to avoid this, we are going to need a neutralizing shampoo. So those are the main circumstances in which you will need a neutralizing shampoo. After a relaxer process is a must. In fact, if you don't see a neutralizing shampoo, don't relax your hair, because if you go ahead to relax your hair and a neutralizing shampoo is not available, it's a recipe for disaster. Like, it's going to turn out to be a process with regrets. So just to avoid all this, make sure you have a neutralizing shampoo always with you before a relaxer process. So those are the main situations in which you need a neutralizing shampoo: after a relaxer process and after a color treatment. Plus, a neutralizing shampoo has added benefits of clarification, meaning a neutralizing shampoo also has the ability to also clarify your hair, to remove buildup and residues, but the effect is not as much compared to a clarifying shampoo. A clarifying shampoo is actually different and is superior to clarifying your hair and to removing buildups and residues. So I'm going to do a video in detail talking about when exactly we need a clarifying shampoo. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified when I upload that video. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you gave this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.